There, welcome back to your favorite relaxation corner. Today, I'm bringing you the most soothing ASMR experience ever. Just sit back, relax, and let the stress melt away. Let's start with some gentle tapping. Feel the soft rhythm as each tap resonates through your mind. It's like a gentle rain, one drop at a time, calming, soothing. Now imagine a soft whisper. Close your eyes and let my voice guide you into tranquility. Each word a feather-light touch, brushing away the worries. Feel the peace filling up your mind, one whisper at a time. Next, let's move on to some delicate brushing sounds. Imagine a soft brush gently gliding over your skin. Each stroke, a wave of calm washing over you. Feel the tension slipping away with every brush. And now let's slow it down with some gentle crinkling. Picture the sound of leaves rustling in the breeze, a soothing symphony of nature. Each crinkle, a reminder that you're here, in this moment, free from all stress. Finally, let's end with some peaceful breathing. Inhale deeply with me. Hold it. And exhale slowly. Feel the serenity flowing through you with each breath. Remember, this is your time. A moment just for you. Embrace the calm, let go of the stress, and enjoy the tranquility. Thank you for joining me today. If you enjoyed this session, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more soothing ASMR content. Until next time, stay relaxed and peaceful. Goodbye.